Ok, vou dizer outra vez. Installing GitHub Copilot is easy and straightforward. To get started, let's jump over to the Copilot landing page. Here, click on Get Started with Copilot. Now you can choose your modality option. In this case, let's choose the Copilot Individual. Keep in mind that if you are working for a company, you will want to choose Business or Enterprise option. Let's proceed with Individual free trial. Insert all the required information and continue. Now comes a very important part. Take attention to your needs and privacy concerns. The first option will allow you to use Copilot Chat, but be aware that might go against your privacy guidelines. The second option will use your code for product improvements. If you are working for a company, you will have to check with your project's privacy and cybersecurity officer, as it might lead to leaks. Once you have everything set up, we can advance to our IDE, in this case Visual Studio Code. On Visual Studio Code, let's search for the extensions page. If you want to use another IDE, check on Copilot's website if your IDE supports it. Once you find the extension bar, search for Copilot. There are two options now, GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. For this case, I will install both. If you want to use Copilot Chat, make sure that you enable suggesting matching public code on GitHub's page. It should now ask you to log in into your GitHub account. And it should work. Let's give it a try. First, let's use Copilot Chat to create a project. In this case, we want a simple JavaScript calculator. Head to the new sidebar icon and type your prompt. Mine will be /new. That's the prompt expression to ask Copilot to create something, and create calculator in JavaScript to finish the prompt. Let's hit enter and see what it creates. Awesome, so now we can see that Copilot creates a full workspace for us. Let's use it. And here we have it, our AI-generated calculator in JavaScript. Let's check if it works. And that's it! You have GitHub Copilot installed on your machine. See you in the next episode!